Okay, Salwa, today we will look at how to use meant to do something in the past. So obviously was verb, be verb, plus meant to do something in the past. So I was meant to do it yesterday, but I couldn't do it because I was busy. So meaning I was supposed to do something yesterday. I had to do something yesterday. Yesterday was the time for me to do it, but I was not able to do it. I could not do it. I couldn't do it. Why? Because I was busy. I was doing something else. So I didn't have time to do it. Although, yeah, I was supposed to do it yesterday. Although it was the time to do it yesterday. Yeah, the time to do it was yesterday, not today, but I couldn't do it. Meaning I was meant to do it yesterday, but I couldn't do it because I was busy. Yeah, so I've got more examples. Can you read from the start? Go ahead.
Okay. Was meant to do something in the past. I was meant to do it yesterday, but I couldn't do it because I was busy. I was meant to concentrate on the lesson, but I couldn't because of the noise.
Yeah.
I
You
was
understand?
meant
Because some people were talking very loudly, or maybe children were screaming and shouting. So I couldn't concentrate on my lesson, although I was meant to the lesson, but I could not concentrate because of the noise children were making. Yeah. Next.
I was meant to pay the bill last week, but I couldn't because I had no money.
Yes.
I was meant to join the class at 9 a.m., but I couldn't because I woke up late. I was meant to do my homework yesterday, but I couldn't because of my headache.
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 Yeah.
I was meant to arrive at the station at 10 a.m., but I was late, so I missed the train. You were meant to pay the rent before the 10th of the month, but you didn't. You were meant to make an appointment to see the doctor, but you didn't. You were meant to do your duty properly, and you did it. Thank you. You were meant to prepare for the exam well, and you did it. You did it. So you passed. You weren't meant to waste your money, but you did. So now you will suffer. You weren't meant to be late, but you were. So you missed the flight. You weren't meant to cross the red light, but you did. So you have to pay the fine. You weren't meant to smoke, but you did. So you have to smoke here, but you did. So you have to pay the fine. You weren't meant to get on the bus without tickets, but you did. So pay the fine now. Yes, very good. Did you understand every single example? Yes. Very good. Make sure you practice them again and again and again until you understand it very well and master it. And we'll see later on.